Hello, my name is Henry Schuck. I'm the co-founder and CEO of ZoomInfo. This is our landing page when you log into the platform. From here, you can get to our intent tab. We're going to pop into our intent. You can see the streaming intent that's happening here at the bottom of the page. These are companies that are right now spiking on topics related to ZoomInfo. So in the moment, this is a live real-time feed of companies who are right now spiking on an intent topic of ZoomInfo. That's great, but to operationalize that, it's pretty hard in the moment to just be sitting here and watching for the next company to come across the page. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna use our workflows functionality, where I just click here to create workflow, and I'm gonna create a streaming intent workflow. When a company is spiking on a topic that's relevant to me and my business, I want to run this motion. And the motion that we're going to run today is a motion that takes that company that's spiking on intent and then combines it to a buying committee and then pushes that into Salesforce and pushes that into our sales automation campaign. I don't want to contact every single company that's streaming on intent for ZoomInfo. I want to contact the perfect companies that are streaming on intent for ZoomInfo. You think about how tightly we built this ideal customer profile now into the platform. I've got this key company. I've got the exact right buying committee. What do I want to do with that? First, I want to export it to Salesforce, and I can export it anywhere. I'm going to put it in as a lead. You can put it in as a lead or a contact or into an account. Then I also want to take another step. I want to immediately activate this lead. So I'm going to push it into Engage, our sales automation tool, and I'm going to add it as a contact, and I'm going to put it directly into a sales flow. So if you're not using streaming intent here and you're not marrying it with workflows, this is a great way to automate your go-to-market motion.